Hi, I'm Linda Matthews, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make this Seaside Memories Picture Album using this set of free printables. The album has a front and back cover and 6 pages, each with a framed pocket and removable card. The papers used to make this album coordinate with the Seaside Memories printable paper pack. You can find a link to all these printables in the description below this video. To get started, print the free printable pages onto sheets of cardstock. Make sure to print 3 sheets of the page, then cut out all the pieces. Fold the pages in half and press with a bone folder to make a sharp crease. The pages are assembled by gluing the underside of each page to the next. Apply liquid glue or a glue stick to the back of the second page. Then carefully align the edges with the back of the third page and press together. Then apply glue to the back of the 4th page, then carefully align the edges to the back of the 5th page and press together. Then allow the pages to dry. If there are any white edges showing after you've glued the pages together, you can cut them away with a pair of sharp scissors or use some distress ink to hide them. Fold the spine section of the cover over the glued edges of the pages and press to create the correct shape. Then apply some glue and press the spine section in place. Depending on the weight of the cardstock that you use to print the pages, the width could be wider or narrower than mine, so the spine section can be adjusted to suit your width. At this point, before you glue the cover on, you can attach a ribbon tie closure if you want to. To do this, cut a length of ribbon or even lace and wrap it around the booklet, then glue it in place along the centre of the front and back pages. I'm not going to bother with a closure for mine, but you can choose to do this if you want to. Then glue the covers onto the front and back pages. First glue the cover inset pictures onto the cover sections, then align the edges and glue the covers to the front and back. To make the frame pockets, first cut out the centre section. It's easier to do this using a ruler and a craft knife with a sharp pointed blade. To make the frame more sturdy, you can add a clear plastic section. I've cut pieces of a sheet protector, but you could use any other type of clear plastic. Cut the pieces just slightly larger than the inside section of the frame, and then to attach the plastic pieces, apply a narrow line of glue along the edges of the inner frame on the underside. I'm using this narrow 1/8 inch wide double-sided tape. To attach the pocket frames to the pages, apply a narrow line of glue or a thin piece of double-sided tape along 3 sides of the outer edges on the underside. There are 2 types of frame pockets, one with an opening on the left side and one with an opening on the top, so make sure to omit the glue along the edge with the cutaway section. Attach the frames to the centre of each page and then insert the cards. Attach the frame pockets with the left side opening on the left page and the frame pockets with the top opening on the right page.